In this video, we are going to discuss about guidance posters. Now, ito pong video na ito is targeted po para po sa ating mga seafarers na sasampa ng mga bagong barko. Okay? The following posters or notices or instructions or documents should be readily available on the bridge. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're hearing background noises, just so you know, meron pong nire-restore dito sa aming bahay. Okay, may construction po na ginagawa. So, paki-excuse na lang po. Okay? So then again, ito pong document na ito, okay, itong page 43 of my 435, okay, available po ito sa aking Bridge Management Manual, okay. Ang link po is nasa description below and nandyan din yung instructions how to purchase, okay. Ito po ang ating mga kailangan sa loob ng bridge. Ito po yung mga posters, notices, and instructions na dapat naka-ready na. Number 1, maneuvering characteristics of the vessel, okay, maneuvering characteristics of the vessel. Number 2, hard copy of the company's navigation policy and procedures. Number 3, copies of the trading certificates. Number 4, International Maritime Pilots Association or Pilot Boarding Arrangements poster, okay? Para po makaiwas din sa tinatawag natin na mga observations. Kasi paminsan, ang pilot po is ina-assign ng port state na maging inspector. Tapos ngayon pag may nakita siya na na walang pilot boarding arrangement poster sa inyong bridge, i-inform niya yung kanyang yung mga kaibigan niya na port state control and then paakitin sa barko ninyo. Di may unnecessary na penalty or drill ang inyong barko. Number 5, table of life-saving signals, dapat nakapost yan. Standing orders issued by the master, okay? Ito po maganda to kasi sa documents po ng mga company nakalagay doon sa pinaka huling pahina. Tapos nakalagay doon sa baba, sa footnotes banda, yung name ng master, name ni chief mate, name ni second mate, and name mo na si third mate. Now, every time po na nagkakaroon ng crew change sa ating deck officers, kailangan ina-update po yan. Okay? Ina-update po yan. Okay? Lalagyan mo na naman ng pirma, lalagyan mo na ng signature mo doon. Number 7, watch keeping schedule. Okay? Number 8 is squat information relevant to both loaded and ballast passages. Company UKC policy, hindi naman kailangan sabihin pa kung ano yan. Company ADVC or Admiralty Vector Chart policy. Okay? Next is distress message or transmission procedures. Banda po ito sa inyong GMDSS area o yung kung nasan yung mga radyo mo. Mas maganda kung mas malapit doon or nasa itaas lang noon. Master list and emergency instructions, auto chart supply, DPA and CSO or company security officer and designated person ashore poster. Okay, pag in case po nagkalokohan ang inyong barko, may nangyaring incident, you have to call yung designated person ashore. Si DPA again, siya yung representative, and CEO company security officer. Number 15, shore-based maintenance certificate. Number 16, deviation card both by master and shore adjuster. 17, simple operating instructions with a block diagram showing the changeover procedures for remote control systems and steering gear power units. Okay? Ang ginawa po namin noon, yung ganito, meron kaming nilaminate na bond paper, tapos nilagyan namin ng cable tie, nakalagay sa gilid, naka-attach siya. May iba namang barko, ang ginagawa nila, may kinakabit sila na parang envelope, na plastic envelope, tapos nilalagay nila doon yung instruction. Okay? Pero the idea is malapit. Ayan, may block diagram class showing the changeover procedures for remote control system from autopilot to manual or manual to autopilot. Yan. A statement that naka-quote. The OOW has unrestricted access to all navigation equipment and engines. Okay, ito po yung mga documents, mga notices na dapat po naka-prepare na sa loob ng ating bridge. Especially po pag bagong barko, syempre kapapa kayo diyan eh. 'Di ba? Kaya nga marami pong mga seafarers ang ayaw sumampa ng mga bagong barko kasi sa kanila lahat ng to. Or kung hindi man bagong barko, nag-change ng flag or nag-change ng name or ng owner yung barko. Yan, ayaw na ayaw nila yung mga ganitong klaseng trabaho kasi ang dami daw kailangan i-update. Ang daming mga documents and tables and notices na kailangan i-update. By the way, ulitin ko lamang po, available po ito sa aking Bridge Management Manual. Nandyan po sa description below how to purchase. Okay? Nandyan po yung link. Now, again, ulitin ko lamang po, itong video na ito is targeted po para po sa ating mga seafarers na hindi pa po nakakasampa or pasampa pa lang I should say ng mga bagong barko. Yan, para alam na ninyo yung ilalagay ninyo kasi baka mamaya may umakyat na port state control, mapansin, bakit ganito? Wala kang instruction on how to operate yung with a block diagram, yung ganyan, paano mag-change ng procedure from manual to automatic. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, sir, ganito lang yan, knob lang yan. Okay na alam mo paano i-operate, pero kasi maaarte ang port state ngayon, maganda kung meron kang instruction. Okay? So then again, wala namang dito, hindi ko napahabain ito. Okay, ito lang naman ang information na kailangan mo with regards to guidance posters. Okay? So then again, hope you guys learned something new. Be happy, be healthy, and most importantly to God be all the glory. Keep safe. I am publishing my third officer crash course for our deck cadets and deck ratings who have little to no idea on how the job of a third mate is on board the ship. Sure, you can watch 60 to 70 or 80 of my videos here on my YouTube channel, but to save you time, okay, and energy, I have compiled this lesson for you. To save you time, save you money, save you energy, and also I want you to be promoted during a quarantine, okay? Because a lot of companies today are desperate on finding a competent third officer. But then again, it's kind of difficult right now because everybody is in solitary confinement. I am here to guide you. So you will never experience having, Philip, I am so scared of getting the next promotion as a third mate. Philip, I am so afraid of grabbing the next recommendation as a third mate. Well, then again, fear not. I am here to guide you on your next duty. Okay? Again, being a third mate is not that difficult on board the ship. The reason why it's difficult is because you lack the knowledge. On this third officer crash course, I have compiled a series of lessons for you. May you have the wisdom that you have been searching, and I want you to be the next third officer of our country. I am publishing my Bridge Management Manual for Deck Cadets and Deck Ratings. Now, this is a compilation of all the manuals, procedures, steps, wisdom that we have actually applied on board the ship. Unlike any other books that, so much wisdom but you don't really use it on board. This Bridge Management Manual that I have compiled, this was used, actually applied on board our ship. All you have to do is read it. Now, this manual is a combination of GMDSS refresher worth 4,200 pesos, generic ECDIS refresher 2,500 pesos, SSBT refresher worth 2,500 pesos. Now, also, this is also a combined ECDIS generic, okay, 3,000 pesos, SSBT with BRM worth 4,000 pesos, third mate familiarization with full mission bridge simulator 4,500 pesos, passage planning with chart correction 3,600 pesos, radar navigation, radar plotting and use of ARPA operational level 5,200 pesos, radar ARPA bridge teamwork and search and rescue management 4,800 pesos, radar simulator course 4,100 pesos, steering course 1,500 pesos, automatic identification system 1,600 pesos, shipboard safety operation for deck ratings 4,100 pesos. Okay, I've stated a lot of courses here in this bridge management manual. Okay, this is, this isn't only just limited for the bridge management, but also, a snippet of other jobs on board the ship. Okay, now I have compiled it here. Okay, and I will publish it, and now it's online for Google Play and or GUMROAD. Okay, you can just pick whatever site you are comfortable at. Okay? May you have the wisdom that you wanted for your next position. If you are still, you are a deck cadet or a deck rating who are, not really confident on your next job, you want to become a deck officer, this bridge management manual is for you for this price. Okay, I have compiled it. We have actually applied it on board. Okay, and you don't need to worry that much. All you have to do is read this manual and actually apply it. Now, if you have any questions, you could always hit me up, okay, at onlinethirdmate@gmail.com. I will be active on answering all of your questions or confusion regarding your next job. May you become the third officer and second officer that you truly desire. Take good care.